This is Online Shop of AAA for sailor, seafarers and mariners only. You can see the categories and its sections. Shoes and clothing. Inside you can select your items accordingly. Also, other categories where you find more sections. We have tried the best and easy ways for your product selection. You can also select the items by drop page sections. Okay, I am going to assist you by selecting this section of DJI MAVIC AIR drone banner. By selecting this banner, you will be directed to drones and its accessories products we are offering. When you go to any section, check out for button, load more for more products in the section. Also, these icons of my account, wishlist, check out for your quick switch from the page to your desired page. To understand our website more, I am going to click one product. After clicking, we will be redirected to the page of the product, where we can zoom the picture to understand product clearly. You can purchase more quantity on one product by clicking on plus sign and reduce the quantity by clicking minus. Afterward we will go to the cart. Here also you can do checking or check your cart for more option for your items shipping details. Each area has different shipping rate and I am going to choose Houston for now, and more importantly, without registration you can purchasing from our website. So, you can register here by filling the all details, and one more important point. Our website is only selling to seafarers, and to know which you or belongs to you have to add the all details, as we have to come to the ship for final delivery for which terminal or area she docked or anchored. Hope all clear for you. Any question you can do contact us directly from website's WhatsApp messenger icon.